the other big news event that just happened recently last week was the whole AWS just disappearing for a while.
Man.
Any comments on how that could play into security, or availability is part of security? So
yeah, I think it plays a lot into, by the way, it's really interesting. I can tell you as a security vendor, we run our services, our SaaS. I mean, think about security. I would guess, my guess, I'm just throwing a number, 9 out of 10 security SaaS companies run on Amazon.
Sure. Yep.
Okay. So probably I'm not wrong by a lot, right?
Right.
Because like if you're a tech cool company, you probably start with Amazon. And then, so just think about it. And by the way, most of them probably run in the Virginia data center, just because that's where everybody starts also. So 9 out of 10 SaaS startups ran in the data center or the region that fell down.
Right.
So here's a security problem to you. Like you're running 10 tools, 9 out of them are down. Yeah, granted.
That's a big area. That's a big impact. That's a big issue.
It's a huge issue. I don't think it's been talked about, really. If you think about it, people, obviously your might be down, but your services might run in Amazon West.
Right.
Actually, your services might run on Azure. But your security provider runs on Amazon. And he's down. Right. Because his SaaS is down. So, so that's a huge topic. So
yeah,
you want to build
denial of service attack where they actually just went away, right?
Seriously, it is. Right. I mean, think about it. If you take Amazon, really, I think we're giving tips to some people in Russia now. But if you take Amazon East down, you're taking 90% of the security world down.
Wow.
Like startups, you're taking them down. Now, everybody else
about that yet. Yeah, all these tools that are controlled by out of those clouds, are all of a sudden just not functional. It's interesting. Yeah. Wow.
So I think, so back to that, I think you're going to see this. And by the way, this is the second event that happened in Amazon in the last 3 months. There was another event 2 months ago that took down dramatically a bunch of services in the same region, by the way, in Amazon. And again, took down a lot of companies, a lot of SaaS companies, and also obviously also security SaaS companies. Yeah, I think you're going to see more and more. So the tech is not there today to make it really easy to build a cross-region, true multi-cloud application. It's a real issue. Today, if you want to develop an app, it's much easier to do it cloud native running on one cloud. It takes whatever, 10% of the time than to develop an application that is cloud agnostic. Because you want to use all these great services that Amazon provides. You don't want to develop a database. You don't want to develop whatever messaging service. You don't want to develop all that stuff. So it's very much easier. So there's a real trade-off. I do think that you're going to see, just like we talked a bit about that earlier, but I think just like you're going to see these companies that are sort of abstracting the network layer, right? For companies, you're going to start and seeing, I'm assuming, and if it doesn't happen, then I'll just have to do another startup. Companies that are abstracting the application layer. So they're going to allow you to develop cloud native applications that are at least cross-region. Even that is really hard today. Forget cross-cloud. Cross-region is really hard. To develop your application in a way that it can run. I mean, just look at it. Netflix went down.
Right. Yep.
And Netflix, trust me, they know cloud.
Right. Yep.
Right. It's really hard to develop a cross-region application right now, even within Amazon, not to talk about cross-cloud application. So we're going to see more companies moving there, and there's probably going to be technologies that help. Right now, this proves again that people will sacrifice comfort for security every day, right? Every day. It's just so much faster to develop it in one region, one cloud.